Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel, The Twisted Paper Studio. I just wanted to give you a little flip through of a journal that I've been working on for a commissioned piece. It's a bunny journal, pretty bunny journal. I'll just go ahead and start. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the little bell and it'll notify you when I have more videos. I do give tutorials too. There's this side, the binding. This is the back. Here's a little shot of the fun part. And then the front. Whoops, lost a prop. Okay, let me see if I'm in camera view. Yes, I don't know if you got all that. In the back. So I'll go ahead and start. Open it up. Ooh. This is the fun goody part. Everyone loves this part. Okay. We have some tags in here. This journal belongs to some ephemera journaling spots. And then I just gave a tutorial of a flip through on this. I'm sorry, a tutorial of this medieval window flip window. I'm tongue-tied today. I'm tired. Here's another tag I did. Some cards. A little corner tuck. Some more tags. These are cute. These little books. A piece of vintage paper, some journaling space. It's a journaling card. This is fun. Oh, here's a little window pocket. Flip the little envelope. Some more tags, more journaling tags, a little flip, a little book, there's some more journaling spots and tags. Here's a cute little, I found this on Amazon, little Paris charm, a paper clip. Some more tags and collage. A little cute little bunny book. Some more collage and, I'm sorry, some more journaling tags. I'll just keep on mixing up my words today. That's a good thing. They'll get me far. Oh my goodness. Little tag and pocket. And here's the inside of this center. Little tags and little vellum pockets. Tags. Some more journaling spot. This little book page. I thought this was so cute. Can I come in? Said the bunny. Yes, said the bunny. And so he did. And there they are sleeping. Isn't that adorable? I know I'm quirky. I find the cutest things in bunnies. Journaling cards and little clips. Ruffles. Little envelope pockets with goodies and belly band. Some flips. Tags. Some more tags. A side tuck. Journaling. Lots of journaling in this pretty journal. These just open up. I gave a tutorial on these on my channel. And they have little paper pads on the inside. Whoops. Oh, there's a tag in there. I was like, did 2 pages glued together? I would have been so sad. And then this piece just opens up. I took a doily, made it hold the second signature together. Some more bunnies. And belly band. And tag. Journaling. Some more tags. Lots of journaling space. Lots and lots. Oh, little glue. Some bunnies, more bunnies, lots of bunnies. I love these books. I need to make one for myself. I do. I need to make one for myself. This is cute. It's a little bunny I put on a paper clip. And we have a journaling card, and then, whoops. This opens up. So cute. A little book. Another little book. Another little book. So cute. I hope everyone's doing well. Fall is coming. It's my favorite. I have these cute little white pumpkins. Aren't they so adorable? They're so inspirational on my desk right now. Some more journaling. Some more bunnies. Another little flip. A little journaling card. Some ledger paper. Bunnies. Lots of journaling spot here. In the middle of the second signature. Tag. This is so cute, this book. I love that. Just another little journaling spot to take with you in your bag when you go. A list, grocery list at the store. Lots of bunnies. That's what, whoops. Sorry, bunny. My customers want the bunny book. They like it. Here's a little notebook. And then I gave a little bit of fabric that I used in the book. And some more little trims and a piece of lace. I just put a clear little pocket there and taped it. And then they can take off the tape when they want to get in there to see their goodies. Journaling. A little envelope with some, I don't know if you could see the gold. It's gold stamp. I used gold. Some more bunnies. There's lots of bunnies. She's so cute. The 2 elephants introduced the bunny. This elephant is the bunny's friend, and he's introducing him to his mom. It's so cute. Here's a little envelope flip with a tag. What happened? Oy, 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 the glue. Always a malfunction. I'm gonna have to fix it after. I don't want to rip it, but there's a bunny. I have to fix it before I send it. Bunnies, bunnies, journal tag, bunnies, bunnies. A flip, lots of journaling space, some more tags. Bunny. And there we are at our last page. And then, of course, the writing board. So when you go to write in your journal, you can just put it on your page and you'll have a hard surface to write on. It's my favorite part. Who doesn't need a writing board? Okay, thank you for joining my flip through of my bunny journal that I'm about to send off to my customer. I am in the process of another one, and I will be putting this in my shop shortly. This journal will be for sale in my shop. Thank you again. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell. It'll let you know if I post any more flip throughs and also tutorials. Have a very, very blessed day. Thank you for watching.